how to outline or stock on your photo like that. So let's start from beginning. Open your image like that, then go right side, then select the this one, quick selection. Now select your image like that, just move your mouse, then it will be automatically select. If any area, then you can adjust it as well, for example like that. Then press on Ctrl and J once press on like that. Then here you can see it's have a different layer. Then press on your second layer, press on blend. Now press on stock. Once you press on stock, now you can increase your decrease your stock as well. If you change your stock color, then you can change this as well. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.